It's a great honor to have you on the channel today. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Ezram, and today we are going to make this simple dinner. It was absolutely delicious. So we are preparing boiled yam and then taro root with some spinach, and trust me, it was so good. It is not just healthy but absolutely delicious, and you are going to love it. If today is the first time here, please do not forget to subscribe, or if you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet or followed yet, please do so. It is absolutely free, and please, you have to do it because we always share the best and easy recipes. I have peeled my yam already. This is how yam looks like, okay, in case you've not seen it before. But this is actually Ghana yam, and it is the best. So I have my puna here, and I have peeled the skin. After peeling it, I washed it. I cut them into the chunks that I want, or the sizes that I want, and then I washed it about 3 times, and then now it is in my pot. I've added some water to it. I will just go ahead. I added some salt to it as well. That is the size I'm going for. And then this is how the taro root looks like. We call it brobe in Ghana, or enchibu. This is how it looks. I cut them into smaller sizes because of my husband, okay? I don't want to scare him. He always gets scared when when you cut them very big. You'll be like, hey Aram, what is this? So I decided to cut them into smaller chunks, and also when you cut it like that, it is easy to eat. It won't be big, and then you are not going to divide it. And do you get it? This one, we just divide it into 2. You eat and you go your way. Sometimes he likes it being very smaller than this, so that immediately you pick it, you just eat. You won't just go and you won't divide it. It doesn't mean he's lazy too. That's just by the way. Now it is ready, and I am just going to strain the water from it. Okay, so you close it, you open it small way like this, and then you just pour it. That is what I'm going to do in my sink. Now whilst we are doing that, I have my oil on fire, and this is jumi that I made at home. Okay, don't worry, I'll be bringing you the recipe. I always say I'll be bringing, yes, I'll be bringing, so don't worry. I'll just go ahead and then add my chopped onions, because I don't need a lot in there. It is already flavorful because of how I prepared it. Now we are just going to wait for the onions to fry, and then we can proceed. We are not going to fry it to become very brown, okay, but we are going to wait for a while, and then we can continue. I will go ahead and then add my tomatoes. That is fresh tomatoes. I washed very well, and then I chopped them. Now I will add that, and then we continue. Should you want to add tomato paste to this recipe, I will advise you add a tomato paste to it before adding the fresh tomatoes, because you need to fry the tomato paste very well before you add the fresh tomatoes. You know, we can eat the fresh tomatoes raw like that, but with the tomato paste, I know some people eat it raw like that, but you can't eat a lot. Okay, so that is why you have to fry it very well, and it is processed, so you have to fry it very well. Now we are going to wait for a while, and then we can proceed. Thank you so much for your time. If you've been with me from the beginning till now, it means you like the video. Can you please like, share, and then leave me your comments in the comment section. I'll be very happy if I see you on the other platforms, social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I have added my proteins. You can use any protein of choice, but I am going for some eggs, and then my fish. I can't prepare this without mushrooms. You know, if you've been here for long, you know that mushrooms, eggs, soya chunks. That is all my proteins, okay, my best proteins, because I don't take meat and I don't like fish like that. Yes, so I added some mushrooms to that, and then I'm going to give that a stir. So this is what I did to the mushrooms. I seasoned it very well, and then I steamed it. Okay, I did not cook it very well like that, just steamed it for some few minutes, and that is what I've added. So with the liquid I will get from the mushrooms, I am not going to discard it, and I'm not going to add to this stew as well. I'll just put it in the Ziploc bag, keep it in the freezer. When I'm preparing soup, I will just add it to it. Soup like okra soup or my ebunebunu soup. I'll just add the mushroom stock to it, and then I use. Okay, yes, so please note that we are going to leave this on fire for some few minutes before we add any other thing. Now, as I'm talking to you, we cooked our spinach. It is ready. After that, we grinded it in the local bowl, which is the earthenware. Okay, you can use your food processor to mash that, and you are good to go. You can as well, after steaming it on fire, I mean the spinach, you won't grind it, you won't do anything, just add it to the sauce and you are good to go. But today, this is how we want it, okay, because we want it in abomu form, okay, in a dipping sauce form, but not like a stew. Yeah, now taste for salt, and then you know what you are going to add to it. So I tasted for the salt earlier, because when I was grinding the spinach, I added some salt to it, and trust me, the salt was okay. So I went ahead to add my onions. I mean, the onions you add at the later part, oh my goodness, it is very necessary. You get it that crunchy. My husband actually wanted soft, but today I'm going my way. I can't prepare food his way all the time or my way all the time. You have to, maybe today if you enjoy it your way, tomorrow I have to do it my way, or do it grandma's way or the children's way. Do you get it? That's how we are in this house. Now, if you want to add seasoning to your stew or anything that will add taste to it, go ahead and do so. But like I told you earlier, the seasoning I used was salt, and it was okay. Now everything is set, and the family is ready to digest this. And trust me, it was absolutely good. We couldn't eat this without avocado. Yes, we added some avocado to it, and it was absolutely good. I really enjoy the avocado with the stew, and if you haven't tried that before, try it. Only avocado and then the dipping sauce. It is good. Yeah, thank you so much. Till I come your way next time, always remember, I love you, and I'm so grateful for always stopping by to watch our videos. I will see you in the next one, and you can't afford to miss it. Bye.